Hello children, today we will learn about a very interesting topic, noun. Now let's start. So what is noun? Noun is name of a person, place, animal or thing. Anything which has a name can be classified as a noun. A noun is the name of a person, for example, a girl, a doctor, a boy. These are all examples of noun. A noun is the name of a place like mountain, Taj Mahal and school. Important places, cities, towns, etc. are classified as noun. A noun is the name of a thing. Children, whatever things you see around you like books, flowers, cars, bed, your pencil box, etc. are all nouns. A noun is name of an animal also like dog, tiger, parrot. So birds and animals are referred as nouns because they have names. Okay children? So this brings us to the end of the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.